so much. I guess you want to hear one more song tonight, right? One more song, one more song. Don't come here without doing it. Look here. Take care of your friends, your families, and in times of need, he's always there for you guys, Pennsylvania, okay? So anyway, in the words of my old brother, Ronnie Van Zant, what song is it you want to hear tonight? You got it.